Here is an emerald power bar. This is by the Curtis Manufacturing Company Incorporated. I have a lot of vintage power bars, but I haven't really done many videos on them because I don't really know what you would show besides just a picture, but this one in particular I think is kind of unusual. I've never seen one designed quite like this. It does have electronic surge protection with the ground indicator, and I don't know if the line indicates that the line is protected or if it just means that there's power. And it has, I don't think it's homemade, but it almost looks like a homemade on and off switch on the top. And it is wall mountable. It is rated for 15 amps. Lights on indicate normal operation. Light off indicates fuse or circuit failure. Red light, line to line, hot to neutral mode. Green light, ground, common mode. Serial number. Clamping voltage 400 volts. Temporary power tap. So it's pretty neat. I guess it would hang on the wall like this, and then the only thing is not having the mounting on the bottom as well. When you go to unplug something, it might just kind of pull away from the wall. Looks like it comes apart fairly easily. Let's take a look inside and see what the surge protection circuitry looks like. It is plastic. I typically don't really like plastic power bars or plastic anything when it comes to electrical, but I got this one anyways because I thought it was really interesting. Okay, so there is presumably flammable paper up against all the circuitry. That's great. We're not able to really see much. I'm going to guess that the surge protection is not particularly good because I don't think there's really much in this. Where the heck would you put a stinking piece of paper? Maybe this comes off. Let's see. This seems very poorly made. Okay. I think I just created a very difficult problem to solve. I think I am causing a freak show trying to take this apart. It has to come apart now in order to get it back in. There's no way I'm going to be able to bend that circuit board to get the prongs back in without it coming out all the way. Oh, I should have just left it alone. I don't know why this switch is not coming off. Oh, you know what I think the problem is? I think the indicators are glued in. They are glued in. Well, I was able to get one of them to break free. Now I need the other one to break free. I don't think that it's going to. This was so not worth opening up. There we go. Oh, come on! Wow, what a cheap piece of junk. There's like no circuitry in here at all. Just a couple of knobs and a resistor. It's a little dusty. It's an Air Pax switch made in Mexico. It's probably of good quality. It does feel like it is. Wow, this is really, really cheesy. And this is why I pretty much only use ISO bars, because a lot of these things are built like this, and I wouldn't be comfortable putting much of any power through this. It's just, I mean, you're running, the power's going through traces. And excessive blobs of solder. Yeah, not my style of equipment. It's cool design, but that's all I can say about it. Interesting form factor. Alright, now let's see if I can get it back in. I want to throw this power bar out the window right now. Well, the outlets are back in place, but the stinking DEL indicators are not even remotely close to where they are supposed to be. Okay, that one is on its way in. And that one is now on its way in as well. That wasn't as bad as I thought it was going to be. Okay. Okay, now we'll add some kindling to the back of the circuit board. I can understand this maybe if it was metal, but the frame is plastic. What the heck is the purpose of this? There is a little notch in there, which I guess is where that goes. It's kind of a weird design. Not particularly secure either. This power bar is wasting so much of my time. It's not even a bar, it's like it's just a power thing. Alright, let's see if the stinking thing still works. Nope, it doesn't power itself from itself. Let's try a different outlet. The lights are on, but they're very, very dim. Lights on indicate normal operation. Allegedly it's operating normally. This would agree. Now these outlets don't fit very well at all. Super loose. That one's reasonable. That one's correct. And that one's pretty good. This bottom row is... Actually, that one's okay. It's really just this one that's bad. I don't know if that's a fault of the unit or just it's been plugged in and out a lot over the years. Either one could be the case. Well, that's the end of this video. 16 minutes for a stinking power thing.